how far out now? It's about a month, okay. And so what did your therapist say when you had a therapist at home to start?
Yeah, she couldn't believe how good it looked, there was no swelling, very little swelling, and how much flex I had in it. And like I said, I haven't had pain. It was great.
Yeah.
It really was.
And what did you have for motion right away, you said?
I got up to 124 the first day, then the other one, because everybody uses that protractor a little different.
Yeah.
Then I got up to 128, and I said, well, set it at 130, so I do the 130 with it, don't even worry about it, no matter how they read it.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
I've always been flexible though.
Yep.
And that's good.
And can you show us what you're getting for, lie back there and show us what you're getting for flexion now? This is now a little more than 3 weeks. Yeah. That's excellent.
I can even get more, come on, I was pushing that
Okay.
foot.
And it looks like, that your incision's all healed up there
Oh, absolutely.
for this early. And bring it right out straight again.
And it's been here too, I mean,
Yeah.
that incision's been perfect, because I did everything he told me. Cover it while I shower, take the Band-Aid off after, let the air get to it. Then I just have massage it. And it just feels good. Worked good, felt good, so I kept doing it.
That's great. Well, this is what we're talking about with Avatar. We're trying to get early motion, never lose the motion, and you're our poster boy for that.
When I did, I went right back on the machine, and the rest is all downhill.
Oh, that's great.
Uphill.
Well, every day it got easier to go uphill.
Oh, it
Yeah.
is down, yeah, I guess.
But I did
Whether way
everything
look
that
at
you
it.
guys said, and everything I did the ice, I stayed on the CPM. I go to bed on it, say on it 5-6 hours. If you do what you sent me home and told me to do, unless you're a real sissy and you got other problems, there's something wrong with you.